There's a room in our factory that's worth more than our entire marketing budget. Almost nobody outside the company has ever seen inside it. And the lesson hidden in that room could completely change the way we think about marketing. A few weeks ago, I walked into a sample room. It's filled with knitwear developments we created for buyers over the years. Many of them never made it into production. Most people would call them failures. They're not. The yarn was right, the fabric was right, the craftsmanship was right. What changed had nothing to do with the product. A buyer's budget moved. A collection changed direction. A season was cancelled. Someone made a decision in a meeting we were never part of. So perfectly good work ended up sitting on a rack unseen. The whole work isn't dead, it's dormant. That one idea completely changed our approach. Instead of constantly asking, we're simply giving our work a second opportunity to create value. And I genuinely believe this is a strategy businesses should adopt. Whether it's products, content, presentations, designs, or ideas. There's a good chance you're already sitting on valuable work your audience has never seen. You don't always need to create more. Sometimes you simply need to help people discover what you've already created. If this idea resonates with you, give it a try in your own business. And if you're looking for more practical ideas that can reshape the way you think about marketing, branding, and business storytelling, follow along, because sometimes the biggest growth doesn't come from creating something new. It comes from seeing what you already have differently. Cheers.